Thank you for joining me today. Plusinno sent me a casting net for a product review, and I was never thrown a net with a aluminum disc on it before, so I was real excited about getting out to the lake trying it out. So let's get into this review. Hope y'all enjoy it. Okay. Now, as soon as I get this bag out of the plastic, I can tell that it's made very well. Quality made bag. It's waterproof and breathable. So you can put the net back in there. You don't have to worry about it mildewing or things like that when you put it back in the bag. Well made bag. Let's get in there and get this net out and start this review. So inside of the bag, it comes with a repair kit and a needle with extra thread at the same color as a net. I thought that was pretty unique. I like that. This aluminum disc is lightweight and allows you to throw this net out with a wide cast every single time. And this net is made out of nylon. It's not monofilament like most nets. It's made out of nylon. So it's going to hold up the test of time. It also comes with this comfort sleeve to allow you to retrieve your net safely. Fits right around your wrist comfortably. And it comes with 20 feet of main line. So right here, you're going to see me gathering the rope neatly, and that's going to come into play later on as I demonstrate how I throw the net. I put the rope in my opposite hand. I'm right-handed, so I put the rope in my left hand, and I like to hold the net in my right hand and throw and release at the same time. So here I'm grabbing the net. You want to shake it loose to make sure the weights are not tangled up at the bottom. Everything's nice and uniform. And this is a 4-foot net. I place my fingers under the aluminum disc, grab the bottom of the net, place it around the aluminum disc. This is very important, y'all. Put your fingers up under there, place the net around the disc. And this is going to allow you to get a wide cast every single time. All right, here we go. Every single time that disc allows that net to open up wide. I was very impressed with this net, y'all. Very important. Remember to place the bottom of the net around the aluminum disc, y'all. Very important. If you're looking for a casting net, I would recommend you call up Plusinno and get him a chance to earn your business. This is a very, very nice net. Catch y'all later.